don't get hurt, Daddy. What? Hope nothing falls on you. Oh, gee, thanks. Now I really want to go work on my car. What's up, everybody? Welcome back to another episode of Tuner Thing. My name is Steve. I'm here in my wife's van. We are headed to Harbor Freight right now. I need to pick up some crowfoot pipe wrench things. I'm doing my clutch master cylinder, and I'm gonna do a flush, so that's kind of necessary anytime you're working with hard lines. I believe they're $12.99 on sale plus 20% off, so pretty good deal. Anyway, we're headed there, and we're gonna go grab some .3 brake fluid and some brake cleaner, and then go home and wait for UPS.
It was so easy when we met. Future ahead of us, making memories. Our only hope is to forget.
Sold out, goddamn. Really? Well, got these. They were on the shelf for $11.99. Paid $13.59 for them, even though they were $12. I don't know. Whatever. I wasn't about to go in and fight. I had a 20% off coupon, and these are what I needed anyway. Time to go get some brake fluid and go home. The dowel goes through here, cotter pin goes through that. That should push right through. We'll go pull that from the other side. All right, y'all. Got it tightened down. I don't know if that's all the way, but it's tight. I mean, it's in there, so hopefully no leaks. The master cylinder's tightened down. This isn't tightened down. These are hand tight for now in case I have to take it back out for some reason. But this is on there. She's in there. All right, y'all, I'm gonna be honest with you guys. I'm super nervous about this. I've never done this before. I've never adjusted a clutch pedal. So we'll see how this goes. All right. It feels a lot different. I will say it feels much better. It goes into gear just fine, but the release point is way different. Guys, so yeah, not anything too crazy today, just documenting while I replace the clutch master on my car. Very easy. Again, to recap, you just undo the 2 bolts by the clutch pedal, you undo the cotter pin, pull out the little dowel that sets the master cylinder free, take off the 10mm strut tower bolts releasing the reservoir, and get off the line, the hard line, pull that out, pull out the master, replace in the opposite direction, then burp it. Yeah, so thank you for watching. Like, comment, and subscribe. Peace out, Cub Scouts.